In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booklet in MS Word. We'll walk through the full process, step by step, so that by the end, you'll be able to turn a regular Word document into a booklet that's ready to print, fold, and share. This works well for things like programs, manuals, event booklets, or small catalogs. Start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a new blank document, or opening the document you'd like to turn into a booklet. It's usually easier if your content is already typed and roughly formatted before you switch to booklet layout. But you can do it either way. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Layout tab. Depending on your version of Word, this might also be labeled Page Layout. Here, you're going to set up the page so Word understands that you want a booklet. Click on the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Page Setup section to open the Page Setup dialog box. In that window, make sure you're on the Margins tab. Under Pages, look for the option that says Multiple Pages. Open that drop-down and select Bookfold. As soon as you choose Bookfold, Word will automatically switch the page orientation to landscape and arrange your pages in pairs, which is what you need for booklet printing. While you're still in the Page Setup dialog, choose how many pages you want in your booklet. If your document is already written, you can leave it on All, so Word includes everything. If you only want a specific part of a larger document, you can set a custom page range. You can also adjust the margins here. For booklets, it's helpful to add a slightly larger inside margin or gutter, especially if you're going to staple or bind the booklet, so the text doesn't disappear into the fold. Once those settings look good, click OK. Your document will now be laid out as a booklet. Scroll through and check your content. Because the page orientation has changed, you might need to adjust images, tables, or headings so they fit nicely within the new layout. Take a moment to fix any line breaks or spacing that look off. When you're ready to print, go to File, then Print. Make sure your printer is set to print on both sides of the paper. If your printer supports automatic duplex printing, choose the option that flips pages on the short edge, so the booklet folds correctly. If your printer only prints on one side, you'll need to print one side first, then reinsert the pages and print the other side, following your printer's instructions. After printing, simply fold the stack of pages down the center, staple along the fold if you like, and your booklet is complete and ready to use.